Hey, what's going on YouTube? I just got out of work and the first thought is like, what do I do? It's Friday, is January 3rd, 2020. Uh, should I go maybe get on the hot tub with my wife, go out to eat, maybe go to the casino, maybe go, have fun somewhere. But no, I have to go, well, I'll show you right after this. Hey, welcome back to Visos Travel. My name is Rafael, and if you are new to the channel, and if you like adventure traveling, family travel, travel tips and tricks, or any little excursion with your family, please subscribe and turn the bell notification on so you get the notifications when I get a new video. So I am at the first place I need to go today. Just go with me inside and let's see what's going on. It should give you a little clue of where I am. And there we go, coaching girls basketball 8th grade. What a joy. So now that we just got out of the basketball practice, now we are on the Winter Fest. This is a spirit net for school right before school starts again, and they're gonna go ice skating. So my night continues. You having fun? Is it fun? No? Nothing? You have nothing to say? You guys having fun? Yeah? Alright.
It's gonna be on YouTube. What's your YouTube channel? I'll subscribe.
Okay, and this is how my night ended, with 4 girls, 4 beautiful
Not drunk.
8th graders
Angelic
Oh my-
children that we love God. Yeah, we are.
in my car. Say hello, girls.
Hi.
All right, remember, subscribe.
We love